Good morning once again, and today is the second demo. The batch is morning 8 to 9 a.m. batch. And I'm having total 6 batches in a day. But the current batch is morning 8 to 9 a.m. And I request everyone kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. And however you received a Drive link and YouTube link yesterday, the same way you will receive all the videos, documents of the demo classes. And this is my contact number. And many people call me yesterday, around 10 to 15 people call me. I request you to kindly call me for your guidance, questions, or anything before you proceed, in case you have any questions. If you don't have any questions, no issues. And don't write anything, simply listen to it. So we are in era of artificial intelligence. I'll explain everything graphically with appropriate screenshots. Even the same screenshot I'll share with you, read it. Non-IT people, as it's a technical course, I must use technical words. So don't feel panic. 1 or 2 times if you listen or practice it, you can easily understand. For IT people, you will see the depth of my classes in the regular classes only, but this is a demo, so it should be suitable to everyone. In such a way, I'm explaining. But you see the difference in explanation, you see the difference in giving the content when compared to others. So don't write anything once again. So yesterday was the first demo. And the first 20 minutes I explained about what I'm covering. And today is the first 20 minutes I covered what I'm covering and about institute and course content. And next 40 minutes yesterday I covered data to Microsoft Fabric understanding. And in today's demo, yesterday's recap, I will give you for 10 minutes only. And then next 50 minutes, I will go to practical part. And the people who joined today only, please go to yesterday's video. You will receive yesterday's video and documents. And no confusion and no dependency with yesterday's session. Easily you will understand today's session. And coming to the introduction of first 20 minutes, giving a recap of, so not 20 minutes. This complete first demo, 10 minutes recap I'm giving now. Focus. As I told you, my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. I'm a working lead consultant. The course duration is 50 to 60 hours. And daily class duration 1 hour. And Monday to Friday sessions. And sir, monthly 2 Saturdays you are having classes. 2 Saturdays in a month you are having classes. Daily live class videos I'm sharing. And access product till 1.5 years. 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. Solid theory and practical material you will receive from the institution. And coming to prerequisite, there is no great prerequisite. But if you have knowledge in Excel or SQL, added advantage to you. Anybody can learn. If you're a graduate, you can easily learn. GUI or coding. It is fully supported to graphical user interface operations, and it has low code process. And 2 to 3 people called me yesterday for fast track approach. I explained them. In case you want to complete my classes in a fast track way, you can complete. But before that, practice today's example first. And I'll give you 1 or 2 examples. If you're able to complete those properly, then go for fast track. Otherwise, please don't go. Just you will have fast track and nothing you will learn. And in the 2 months duration, and this is a project and environment related content I'm covering. And this is subject, Power BI subject. And this is additional subject. Project and environment related, data warehousing, modeling fundamental, agile methodology understanding, GitHub versioning. These all I'm covering. And 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies also I'm covering. SQL, I will give you 3 to 4 hours. So don't focus on this point much, listen to it clearly. 3 to 4 hours only SQL I'm covering. And this is not suitable for interviews and real-time working perspective. Within 3-4 hours, nothing will be covered. And in these 3-4 hours, I will explain you how to install and what are the SQL operations we do in Power BI that I will focus more. But learn SQL 30 to 40 hours wherever you want to learn, even we do offer. And there are 9 topics, you prioritize it before you go for interview and work in the real time. Those 9 topics only we use it. It does not mean 9 topics I'm covering in the 3-4 hours. It's impossible. Now, MSBI tabular cubes, 2 hours I'm covering. You can ask me, sir, why are you not taking 20 hours or 30 hours? If I take SQL Flush more, Power BI Flush will reduce. I want to give you complete in and out of Power BI. And you will not see anywhere in the market with that much depth of Power BI. Inquire anyone, anywhere. 60 hours Power BI classes, only Power BI. Now resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, 100% we will explain you. Cloud components, Power BI having cloud, Power BI having on-premises, both I'm covering. Along with it, some understanding on the Power Apps and Power Automate also I'm providing. They are compulsory required. How Power BI, Power Automate related, how Power BI, Power Apps related, that understanding I will provide you. Now, institution side, we will provide you theory, practical material, live class video, FAQs, resume preparation classes, as well as resume correction. I will help you. Live class videos and WhatsApp group also created for our technical questions, discussions, etc. But this course is highly helpful for you if you decide to keep less than 5 years experience in Power BI. In Power BI, more than 5 not possible. With learning, nobody can claim. And if you want to claim, at least 1 or 2 projects experience is required. Then only the designing knowledge, architecting knowledge you will get from the projects. And more opportunities now. Till last year, the market was different, till 22. But 23 market changed. 90% opportunities Power BI plus SQL only. Very rarely support opportunity, admin opportunity. And some companies looking for this. It is a different story. But in case you want to try as a Power BI developer, a data analyst, the course is suitable for Power BI developer, data analyst, a Power BI developers, data analyst majorly, even data scientists partially. Along with Power BI, they need to learn couple of languages as well, Python, machine learning, AI, some tools they need to learn. So the course is suitable for these people. Right. And first I explained this, and then I explained about data to fabric understanding. In the IT industry, this is a hierarchy actually. This hierarchy I explained for 40 minutes yesterday. Data, we are having 3 types of data, 2 formats, the data available, 2 storages, the formatted data stored. So structured, semi-structured, unstructured, 3 types of data. Data storage format, people either keep data in the file or table. Our resumes, our personal content in the file, and many other content. Even companies also maintain data in the form of files. Are structured organized way they want to keep, they keep in the databases. And we are keeping our photos, videos, everything in the mobile. And then we are taking backup into cloud, Samsung cloud, Gmail cloud, Apple cloud. So both storages. IT applications, many types available, but majorly two types. The applications which you find in the market help to run the business, a few for analyzing the business. And you all showing interest for analytical process. You want to take organization data or non-organization data and convert into decision-making data. So your responsibility working on BI process, first step. And for this, you require tools. Working on BI process, generating reports and dashboards, second one. So the respective team, maybe management team, administration team, executive team, vice president team, data steward, data scientist, data analyst team, they use web, desktop, and mobile platforms and work on the reports as part of decision making. So your objective working on the BI process, generating a report or dashboard. Input may be anything, maybe business data or non-business data. Nowadays, non-business data analysis also people doing a lot because the supportive applications available. 10 years ago, only structured data, organization data analysis was possible. But now even non-business data also. And what is BI? Business intelligence. Intelligence data of the business. Decision-making data of the business. Input is any type of data, anywhere, any type. Output is a report or dashboard. What is report? Which contain detailed data. What is dashboard? Contain high-level data. And also I told you yesterday, set of reports data. This is one report, this is another report, one more report. Set of reports data we will take in a single place, that is a dashboard. High-level single view presentation of data. High-level single view presentation. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are using this terminology everywhere. Car dashboard, mobile dashboard, system dashboard, many places. The area where you see everything. So you guys going to work on any type of data, anywhere data, and finally generate report or dashboard once you enter into this industry. Tool may be different, but the process remains same. So don't bother about Power BI. Now it is leading, and for the last 15 years leading. Assume there is an exceptional company came into the market and released a new software for business intelligence operations. Process same, but only tool will change. What will change? Tool. So don't worry about the tool process. Right now you are interested to show, right now you're interested to learn Power BI to implement BI process. Moving forward, if you don't like it, yeah, go for other BI tool, no problem. But process remains same. It will not change. Take mobile technology. Started with Nokia, Motorola initially. Now which phones we are using? Anything in the process level changed? Additional operations are changed, added. But all the mobiles follow in India Telecom Regulatory Authority rules, TRAI rules. And you heard about mobile unlocking, Apple phone unlock. The phone which you used in abroad, if you come to India, it may not work. Then we are going for unlock because we follow our standard rules and protocols. You know how to operate OnePlus mobile. Can't you operate Samsung? Only the device is changing, but more or less the features are similar. Next, coming to BI evolution, business intelligence evolution, legacy, old BI, that is 90s BI, multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple resources, very complex, very costly. Middle age BI, MS BI, from 2005 available from Microsoft, somewhat reduced. And because of MSB only, Microsoft is a leader for the last 16 years in the market. especially analytics and BA platform. In this platform, Microsoft is leader because of MSBA. Now Power BI continuing it. I told you very clearly this picture explanation. Again, tomorrow I will explain in detail. Don't feel panic. You have data, business data or non-business data. You want to convert into decision-making data like this. First step, this is a step. ETL step, extract, transform, load step. Here we gather the data, perform intermediate operations, and move to huge storage area. So that years and years data you will maintain. Historical data you maintain. But this complete data not suitable for analysis. Whatever you want to analyze, assume last 1 week data you want to analyze. Last quarter data you want to analyze. And last 6 months data, semester data you want to analyze. Take only the data into a separate storage area. Add aggregate information, analytical information. Some average rank, standard deviation, etc. Add it. Finally, you generate a report from there. Report or dashboard from here. So these are called business intelligence steps. Any BA project you take, any BA tool you use, this process only implement it. Maybe one or two less, one or two less, or all, but not more. Fixed process. Maybe you feel panic. What is this? But regularly we discuss the same. You feel very bored. And 90s, multiple tools required. 1, 2, 3, 4 tools and technologies. Multiple setups, multiple people. In MSBA level, not like that. One suite, SUIT suite. This can also be called pack, one pack. SSIS is the first tool in this area we use. Integration services. SSAS is the second tool we use in this area. SSRS is one tool we use in this area. 3 tools, 3 areas. IS stands for integration services. AS stands for analysis services. RS reporting. So 3 tools we are having in MSBA to perform end-to-end process. That's why MSBA is called as self-service BA application suite. Self-service BA suite with multiple tools. And in the current market, only one company which is simplified this process also. Microsoft simplified with multiple tools in a single area. First organization. And this process also much more simplified. That is Power BI. Self-service BA application. A single application having concepts. Concept 1 to work here. Concept 2 to work here. Concept 3 and concept 4 to work here. So self-service BA application with multiple concepts to perform end-to-end BA and generate reports and dashboards from data. So what exactly Power BI does? Self-service business intelligence process and generates reports or dashboards from data. Now the data, any type of data, any format data, anywhere data. Self-service BA with low code application. And the reports and dashboards, cloud or on premises, no problem, anywhere possible. Understood? Right. Now I will show you, this is what yesterday I explained. Why Power BI when MSB available? How do you define Power BI? Power BI, first definition, adding more power to existing BI. Adding more power to existing BI. Second definition, it's a low code application, cloud and on-premises supported, self-service BI application, generate reports and dashboards from data. And Power BI announced in July 2013. And we have monthly update from 13 onwards. No versions in Power BI. We have only monthly updates. Got clarity? right? And after Power BI, what is Power Platform? What is Fabric? I explained yesterday. So I'm not explaining. Who all joined today, kindly go to yesterday's video so that you will understand everything clearly. Otherwise, you remaining people feel very bored. Next. So this is a way we will share everyone a folder access. This is recent batch, completed batch folder, 7 AM batch. So all videos in one area. So what are the sessions we conduct? Resume preparation, interview guidance session with proper resumes, content. In project class, if you go project, see my project 2 I covered. Project 2, complex task, explain interview, functional documents, technical document, different things I'm covering here. So this folder is sufficient in case you want to get complete understanding about Power BI and real time. So near real time knowledge 100% you will get it, because complete environment I cannot show you here. But you will not feel anything complex once you join in the company. With this happily you can do. In such a way I'm giving the content. And WhatsApp group also available for our questions, concerns, everything. Take 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock, any batch. Once the video is placed, we'll place a message like this. So video plays for so and so. This is the content covering. Case study for monthly report. All this. So very proper operations. You will be having good interaction with me in the WhatsApp level and outside. In case any opportunities also, will inform in the batch level. And 2 days ago, I informed the batch 2 to 3 years experience, one opportunity. Even yesterday, one company asked me. I think I showed you yesterday only. Just a way. Right, sir. Next one. So this is the part I'm going to explain next couple of minutes. Using Power BI application, converting normal transactional data into decision-making data like this. This is my daily expenses data. Day-wise amount, reason, area, location available. My daily expenses I kept in an Excel sheet. And I want to analyze last 2 years data. So I mentioned 2 years. And only 2 months are important for me. So I took 2 months. If I click a particular year and month, respect to year and month data, it has to show total how much in that year and month I spent, average month, maximum amount, minimum amount. For which reason I spent more money, which reason I spent less money. Which location, how much percentage of money I spent. What are the locations I traveled, I want to see geographically. So this is my normal daily expenses data. Assume your hostel data, hostel spending, roommate spending, and you want to analyze it. So for today, I'll give you this input file, or you type your own data and generate a report like this. Feel comfortable. See the ease of operations and beautiness of Power BI. Then only you take the next step. But how come this data converted to this? What are the tools required? I'm going to explain. I will show you practically. Before that, I would like to address your questions, ask your questions, offline and online people, both. Offline people, online people, any questions? – 100%. Complete spoon feeding way it goes on, don't worry. We'll give you a very strong lab backup like this for practice. Not only data sets, I'll give you accounts to practice. Power BI cloud accounts required. Cloud accounts also I will provide you till 1 year. See, analysis services backup file and normal general files for practice, JSON file, Excel file, XML file. These all files we are going to work. Yeah, all formats I cover. And database files I will cover, SQL files. And shape map file, images, themes. So this is your lab backup, a very strong lab backup, because You want to generate your country map, your district map, how to generate. The mapping information also available here. Shape maps, longitude, latitude, everything will work on. Otherwise, you will not get complete depth. But only one thing you require, you need a lot of patience to attend my classes. Compulsory require patience to learn all these things. Yes, yes, yes. The account which I'm providing having data sets, even I will give you the data sets. Kaushik, is Power BI good for fresher opportunities? In case you want to try as a fresher, yes, you can try.
So SAP HANA data also we can do it, sir.
SAP HANA market is very less, very rare opportunities.
Okay, SAP HANA data we can do in Power BI.
Happily, you can connect and do it.
Okay.
Microsoft Power BI provided great support to SAP HANA.
Hi Vinay, this is Manish Khoya.
Yes, Manish.
I have a question on this OLTP and OLAP data. So the question is like, can I say that OLTP is more of like the data which we can modify, and OLAP which we cannot modify? That's why we use this data for the analytics.
Perfect. And technically, we call it as volatile and non-volatile.
Okay, sure. Thank
So
you.
OLTP data is volatile data, OLAP data is non-volatile.
Non-volatile. Okay, that's fine. Then fine. Thank you very much.
Someone typed MacBook level directly. You cannot install Power BI. Compulsory Windows OS is required to install. So take VM and then Windows OS. Happily, you can practice it. Everyone is doing the same. Yes.
Good morning, sir. This is Murali.
Yes, Murali.
Sir, I have a fundamental question.
Okay.
Like this is extract, transform, mode ETL. Is the sequence in the form of ETL, or it can be some other way also, ELT? Because some of my friends, I heard that they are from ELT, extract, load, and transform. Is that possible,
you can,
sir?
Yeah, anything you can do, but the ETL, ELT properly applicable in the ETL tools level. But here, your wish, whatever you want to do. First,
I'm confused in the sequence. First extract, then load, and
anyway, see, reporting tool level, anyway you can do. See, the word ETL, ELT, it differs when you work with dedicated ETL or data integration tools like Informatica, DataStage, Ab Initio, SSIS, ADF. Then this process makes a lot of difference. Coming to Power BI, you will not find much difference in this process. Because this is not an integration tool, so you will not find much difference. Right. So I will continue with the next part. Stay tuned for next half an hour to complete this example. And also you guys need to practice. The practice data set, practice file also I will give you a step-by-step file, how to do it. I'll give you a PDF document. Kindly use it in practice. And then what are the components available in the Power BI? Power BI components. Many people feel the Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map, these are the components. But Microsoft nowhere mentioned these are the components. These are just concepts inside desktop. What are these? Concepts. Only desktop level available. Then what is component? The desktop is a component. And what exactly desktop does? Windows desktop, what it does? Desktop is a graphical user interface area. Everything we do graphical in that respective area. Windows desktop, Windows operations graphical. Power BI desktop, Power BI operations graphical. Tableau desktop available, Tableau operations graphical. But this is a desktop for cloud operations. So I'm interested for only cloud. So there is a cloud desktop and used for report development. The previous situation you want to implement, compulsory desktop is required. Development only, but you want to share to customers. How do you share it? You want to manage security. Only Ram and Kishore should see the report data. Madhu and Rajesh should not see. Or when Mamata connect, Mamata should see only Mamata data. Mahesh and Mamata connects, both should see a particular department data. They should not see other data. Like these restrictions you want to give, then go to cloud. So in this area only, report storing, managing, accessing, all possible. So customers contact this only. Cloud. And here the charge account to your usage, and we require Power BI account. What is required? Power BI account. We have multiple accounts: Pro account, Premium account, Embedding account, Fabric account. Like this, 5 accounts available. So depending on the organization capacity, they will go for it. I will explain in the third class from now. What is account and how many types of accounts available. I'll give you an account for your practice till 1 year. So this is cloud. Anybody having any questions? So who all interested for the cloud? One for development, one for storing, managing, accessing, they will go. I'm not interested for cloud. I'm interested for only on-premises. And then for report development, separate desktop available, server desktop. Compared to this, features are less here. Both are desktop, but little less features. And server, this you can install in your company, in your computer level. And here also features less when compared to cloud. Here, what is required? No account, license is required. What is required? License. Yearly license, monthly, so yearly license or seasonal license is required. So here is a place report storing and managing happens, but limited features. Customers will contact this. So 1 and 2, cloud, 1 and 2, on-premises. These are the 4 components, plus report builder, 1 component. This is for paginated reporting. What is paginated reporting? I will tell you in tomorrow's session. Power BI developer, 1 more component. You don't like Power BI visuals at all. You want to construct your own graphical visuals, possible in this area. And your customer asks, Raju, I want to keep Power BI report in the company website, beginning page. Possible, that is embedding. Placing Power BI report in other areas, Facebook, Twitter, blog, SharePoint server, many areas. If you want to keep that concept, come under embedding. And there is one more component I did not mention here, gateway. So these are the 8 components Microsoft defined in their manuals as well as in their certification examination level. But desktop level, if you look at the components, these are desktop components. Got clarity? And now I'm going to explain this report development component and practice this example. What exactly this does? This, very simple. Your data like this available, it will extract it. First, it will take the data. Without taking, how come it will analyze? Data taking compulsory. If the data in proper shape, no problem. Otherwise, it will shape it. So what do you mean by shape? Column by column data not available. Or top some headings available, bottom some headings available, zigzag content available. As small changes required, the changes do it in the shaping level. Once completed, establish relationship in this area, modeling. But one table, one file not required. If multiple tables are joining using in the report, that time relationship required. This is technically we call it as SQL language level we call join. Join and SQL, and here relationship both are same. Security, you will control data access. Raju should see only Raju data, and my Hyderabad team should see only Hyderabad data. That's security. Finally, visuals, graphical presentation like this. Visual, 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 visual. These are all visuals. And whatever finally, whatever you're providing from this, at last is called BA data. Which data? BA data. So I want to take this data, convert to business intelligence data using this process. The process implemented at Power BI desktop level. And this process is called self-service BA process, because everything we are doing in a single area. We go to hotels and restaurants, you see self-service. What does it mean? You take the token, you go to the counter, you take your plate and you keep it aside. Everything you do the same way, bringing data onwards, still report generation, everything we do in a single area. So this is called as a self-service BI application. Understood? Shall we download and install? Right. Now I will go to the software. What is desktop? Graphical operations area, Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop available. Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations area with low code. Hardware software requirements, very minimal. And a detailed one I will tell you tomorrow's class. It will take half an hour time to explain the hardware software requirements. Because however the way we work here, the same way we don't work in the real time. Tool is same, but requirements and all changes from our standalone machines to server machines. Real time level we use servers. So the servers configuration I'll tell you tomorrow. What are the servers required in the company? You are a senior resource. They will ask you, we need to install Power BI desktop. Which machine is suitable? You cannot say Windows 8, Windows 10. That is in your machine level. But company's level, server software, server configuration you need to define. That I will tell you tomorrow. Now, for the time being, in your machine, you want to practice Windows 8 or above is good. Minimum 2 GB RAM is required, but 4 or above is really good. And minimum 1.5 gigahertz processor is required. And whatever I said, these 2 points, not system configuration. Your system should be able to allocate sufficient RAM and processor speed for Power BI. I have 4 GB machine, but many softwares are there. It runs very slow. Then Power BI also runs slow. Yes, sir, ask your question. MacBook, that's what I told you. MacBook level Power BI directly you cannot install. Take VM, within VM, Windows. I will help you on that, don't worry. So there is an installer, I will guide you. So you go there, he will help you on that. Don't worry about that, I will take care of it. Is okay? Next, how to download. There are 3 ways. Google it, go to advanced download, just download it. Why advanced download? Advanced download level, no account is required, directly you can download. And Google it, go to Microsoft Store download, account is required. And go to Power BI Cloud Service, download it, account is required. So these 2 we will see in the regular class. And the first one does not require any account. So we'll see now. Sir, what about installation? Just go to the software, next, finish. That's it. No great. But before downloading, ensure your system configuration, what type it is. Just go to this PC, right click properties. Or type here sysinfo, system information. It will tell you what is the system type. So you must download and install 64-bit machine software. So go to this. Power BI desktop download. Download Power BI desktop from official website. Power BI desktop. What is this? Download. Details are available. You read it. System requirements available. Installation instructions available. In case you want to read it, but I will tell you tomorrow's class. Click download for the time being. This is for 32-bit machine. And this is for 64-bit machine. Which one I need to download? 64. So from where I came to know, go to this PC properties or type here sysinfo, there also you will come to know. Just download. How it looks like after downloading. So this is the way it looks like. After download, it looks like this. Go to this, next, next, finish. No great settings. Very simple. Am I right? Once done, you will find on the desktop something like this. So this is the one I installed. But my machine having one more also, report server desktop. Because I'm taking classes of on-premises also. So this is required. So, but right now only this one. Are you interested to download this? I'll download it. Just type download Power BI report server desktop. It will download same process. So this is the one. Ready, application is ready. Where is the data? Go to this. No restriction for the download limitation. And guys, who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get demo video and document. Quickly provide. And also I'm providing my contact number to reach out to me for any kind of queries, questions. Class related or career related or any guidance you require, call me on this. Don't hesitate. And timing is also mentioned. So this is the input file, family expenses data. Guys, this is my family expenses data file. Date wise, amount, reason, area location available. From this file, I want to generate such kind of report. How? Open Power BI desktop first. Click on it. And this is called Get Started page. What do you call this? Get Started. And I will explain about this tomorrow. For the time being, you click on it. Click close. And this is the main interface. Self-service BA interface. Color blind friendly interface. And what we do here, data extracted, transformed, modeled, later security, visualization, all possible. Finally, business intelligence data, you'll find it. Since you're doing all, this application is called, the final application is called desktop document. And it is saved with .pbix. What is the extension? How do we save Word document? .docx or CS. An Excel document? .xlsx. Now this is a Power BI document, not a report. So PBIX. Where do we save? File menu, save. And this is called quick saving. This is called formal saving. Undo available, redo available. And this is a title of the application. And here account we take. This is a place account. And this is minimizing, maximizing, closing. And these are called menu tabs. And this is called as ribbon, menu ribbon. menu tabs, menu ribbon. And these are called views. And this is called report view. Little speed I'm maintaining because demo example, not a classroom example. Kindly focus. This is a report view. In tomorrow's session, I will explain the screen for 1 hour. But if I explain the demo level 1 hour, you feel very bored. So this is a report view. And this is called a grid view. And this is called relationship view. And here, filters. Filter options will take. And here, filter pane. We call it as filter pane. This is visualization pane. Visuals available. And this is called data pane. Some people say data set. Some people say semantic model. Technical words. And we use the visuals, we use filters, we use data, we use concepts, everything in this area. This is called canvas, report canvas or power view. And here is the place you see pages. A report can have multiple pages. What is the advantage? For example, employee management process you are seeing. Joinings in one page, separations, one page, terminations, one page. Like this, you can create multiple pages. And in this area, you see what type of information available here. Like only structure of the tables available or structure and data available. And we call it as a mode of the file. What do we call it? Like this, there are many features. At this moment, helpful for us, these settings. From where we extract, transform, model, secure, visualize. So this is the area. Yes. So this is the area we get the data. This is the area we transform the data. This is the area we model the data. Secure the data in this area and report the data in this area. I will make it down. 5 areas. I know our current example need extraction. Current example need transformation because shape is not good. Modeling not required because only one table. Security not in our scope of demo. But visualization required 5. So I will show you in the BA process level 1 to 5. It is a fixed process. Any number of reports you create in Power BI, same process 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will always verify and work on it. Very standard process. You want to construct a house, from foundation only you will start it. Step by step you go, the same process. If you listen to it first time, you feel like, what is this? If you create one report, that's it. Now, what's the first job we need to do? Extract. Shall I click on it? Before that, I've saved the application. File menu. What is this? Save. What is the extension? PBAX. Go to, see, once you save it, it looks like this. And this is a type it will give you. I'm saving under documents folder. Vinay Tech, Power BI, demo, report 0602 2024. Click save. Now, first click get data, Excel workbook. navigate wherever the file available. This is a file, click open. First step successfully completed. Sell the data. So this is the data I want to use it. Click load. See guys, what happened? Data automatically expanded. I did not expand, automatically this expanded, you are able to see. Click on it, available. Sir, I want to see this data. Then go to data view. This is data view. 3 views available. Click on data view, show the data. Something is not correct. What is that?
Header.
So actually date should be here, amount should be here, reason should be here, location should be here. This is not correct. So what to do? This part delete it. This part take as header. Correct? 2 operations. Not only that, area location, if you see like this available, but I want to analyze locations. I want to analyze area separately, not combination like this. How is it possible? Then we need to split. So deleting this data, taking this as header, splitting the data. This comes under shaping. What do you call it? Shaping. Shall we do that? Right. For shaping, what to do? I'm going to report view again. Second one, transform. So click on it, transform data. Second step. It will open a separate window, guys. See, system open a separate window only in this situation. That window is called Power Query window. And this is an area 2 operations we do, extract and transform. Even you can extract it and transform it. Both you can do. So once this window, or once operations completed, just go to file menu, close and apply operation. No saving here. Saving is close and apply. Apply the changes and close it. I will expand this. Say this is a source data available. My concept is remove the first record, only this record. Keep this as heading. So where is the option? In this area, see this? This area box available, click on it. Remove top row. It's a demo example. Once you complete the subject, automatically you will identify which option available, which area. Remove top row. How many records? Only 1. Shall I click OK? Removed. So that is removed. And what to do? Date supposed to be the heading. So click on it. Use first row as header. So the same area. The first I implemented this. Now I am going to this. Ready. 2 operations completed. You can see here in the right hand side. I promoted header. I removed top rows. Any step you want to cancel, cancel here. Click on this so that it will cancel. Now go right. Area location available. So what we need to do? Split into 2 parts. Right click here. Split by delimiter. What is the delimiter? 2 hyphens. Mention here 2 hyphens. Once again, right click the column, split the column. Delimiter means separator, separator based split. Because 2 hyphens available, mention 2 hyphens, click OK. No. Already data having 2 hyphens. That's why I mentioned 2. Yeah, 3 available, 3. How come system will understand as 2? No, sir. So I'm canceling the step here. I'm canceling. I don't know why you confusing. Here 2 hyphens available. Yeah, I given this. Intentionally I given. Just mention 2 hyphens only. No. See, listen. AP state 2 hyphen Vizag 2 hyphen some XYZ. If you want to split into AP separate, Vizag separate, XYZ separate, only one delimiter available. What is that? 2 hyphen. That mention sufficient. Yeah, main. So right click, split column, delimiter, 2 hyphens we mentioned, click OK, sufficient. Then we need to do adjustments. What we need to do? Adjustment. You said delimiter, only one system consider. In case additional available, then we need to do some amendments. It's a custom operation. So click area, click here, location. So I double click and change the titles because titles are not good. So what we need to do? Go to close and apply. Apply means only saving changes, no closing. Close means no changes, simply close. But I will go for this. Successfully completed. Now see a proper look and feel available. Expand it. Date hierarchy, columns also available, date column. System taken, I did not do anything. And this indicate the column support aggregate analytical operations. Some average, maximum, minimum you can perform. This indicate the column is a date column. And nothing is mentioned. That means it is a text column. Which column? Text. So no aggregate analytical operations on the text column. Right. How to read it, I explain. And go to this data view, see the information. Column by column available. I extracted data. I transform the data. Data looking good. Now modeling required. Third step. Click on it. Only one table. What type of relationship you establish? Relationship makes sense when 2 or more available. If only 1 available, no relationship. Next, 4th one, security. Not in our scope. Only one thing, visualization. 5th one. So I will clear off this screen. So no confuse. So this is the area we need to work now. Guys, give me 5 to 10 minutes maximum. I will close the session. Maximum 10 minutes, I will close the session. It's a demo, so I'm extending. But regular class, sharp 8 to 9 a.m. regular class. Right. Now visualization required. First, I'm going to explain one card visual, which will show single value. I will explain one slicer visual, which will support data filtering. I will explain one bar chart, which will show comparisons. Percentages, pie chart. Mapping, map visual. So these are the 5 visuals I will use now. How to use, I will show you. Just take a visual first step. It's a card. I will minimize this card visual. Single value it will support. I want to show amount. Drag and drop in the fields. So every visual having 2 sections. Every visual or all these visuals. This is field area. Mention the data to be displayed on the visual. Format area. What type of colors, fonts you want, go to this. For every visual, 2 area. Field area data, format area, color, fonts, etc. So I took field area, sum of amount, because single value it will take. Next, one more card. I want average amount. Drag and drop amount here. Sir, where is the average? There is a drop down here. See the beautiness of Power BI. There's a drop down here. Click on it. No need to write any formula. Just select average. Next, one more card visual. Click on the card visual. I want a maximum on this. So drag and drop sum. Click on this. What is this? Maximum. I want one more card visual. Click on this. Take amount here. Click on this. Minimum amount. Which amount? Minimum. But I want to take proper color, font and all. Just go to this format. Call out value. This is called call out value. This is called category label. So this color, font and all you want to work on, go to this. This color, font and all you want to work, go to this. Click on it. Bold. 30 size I'm giving. Color. This color I'm giving. Auto. No, none. Or billion format, trillion format, whatever the format you want to take, you can take it. I just want normal one. And a category label, bold, I'll make it 18. Click on it. Ready. 2. And there is one more called general formatting. These are visual specific formatting. This is common to all visuals. Go to this FX, visual border on. General all visuals. So one card visual and I did formation. How do we do it? Go to format area. These two work on it. Go to general area, effect level border. And this setting, I want to apply this. How? On top, there is something called format painter. Just look at the beautiness. Just click on this. So this format copied. Now paste here. Again, click on this. This format copied. Paste. Again, click on this. This format copied. Click on this. I will take here. Is it okay? Next, I want to filter this. Click on slicer. It is a visual filter. Take year column here. It is showing like this. So field first and then format. But field is okay. Format is not good. Go to format. Slicer setting, this setting. How you want to show? You want vertical list format? This is vertical list. Here. Tile format, button format, but like buttons. Or whatever the format you want, you can select. I'm just taking a vertical list format. So list. But I want to increase. See, first one, format change. Second one, this header color font and all, value color font and all. So I will do it quickly. Header, bold, 20. And I will take here pink color, value. I will take bold 18. All this is also 18. I'll take blue color, general area, FX, visual border on, and I will minimize like this. The same way month also required. Just go to this, Control C, Control V, place here, not year, take month, drag and drop month. Field area month. Field area month. I don't want all the months. Then go to filter. This I want to filter. So go to filter in the months area. This drop down level. You select what do you want. I want July and August only. Anything complex? Anything complex? No, right? Just filter, mention the months over. Only 2 months. So I took slicer. So if you select 19 total value, 19 maximum minimum amount, 19 August result, 20 August result, 20 is only result. 19 and 20 is only result. Like this, you can analyze. You want to clear off, click on this clear selection. Clear selection, click. Understood? Next. I want to compare, then go to bar chart. So this is a bar chart I'm taking. So field area, bar chart fields, asking y-axis. This is always y-axis, this is always x-axis. What do you want to take y? Y-axis level I want year. So not year, reason. X-axis level amount, reason-wise amount. So very small it is appearing. There is something called focus mode. Explore bigger to see focus mode of the object. So these two highest spending, these two lowest spending. You can keep cursor here. Food 1,34,900. Travel, petrol. And this is overall because no year, no month selected overall. I just want to take border for this. Understood? How do we take? Click on this, mention the columns. Go to general, FX. Next, I want to verify percentage. Go to pie chart. Pie chart. Legend, location, value, amount, location amount. If go to focus mode. If I click here, Visakhapatnam 40% money total I spent. Click on it. Suryapet 1.3% is money I spent. And Hyderabad 40% money I spent. This is our total. If you want 19 only it will show you. 19 differs. 19 Hyderabad more. August. 19 August. Yeah, Hyderabad only more. See here the values also change. So I will go to this lesson, sorry, general, FX border on. The last one. Click on this mapping visual to show the locations I travel. Mapping, location, here location you take. But the sizes you want to control, come down. Size level amount you take. I'll go to focus mode. So wherever more business, bigger bubble. Wherever less business, small bubble. My spending less in Visakhapatnam, small. More, Hyderabad. And if you clear off, it will change. 19 clear off, total clear off. Total, if you see, Visakhapatnam more, and Hyderabad also close to that. Click on this, general, FX border. Now, based on your selection, all these values and this. Understood, everyone? Any questions? So this is the way easily we develop reports in Power BI with less code, no coding anywhere. So these kind of reports you want to develop, no coding required. Then when do we require coding? You want your company own formulas, because Microsoft cannot give you the sum, average, maximum, minimum. Last year, these kind of it can give you, but not all. Your own formulas you want to write, and your company own calculations implementing something specific to your business process only. That time we use a language called DAX language. DAX language is a formula or functional language. No code, no programming. This language we use it. Here we have 300 plus functions. Depending on the situation, we use the right function and use it. Like sum function, average function, max function, rank function, like this available, simple functions. Anybody can learn easily. This is the only little complex area in Power BI because we write some average kind of formulas. Otherwise, it is simple. File, save. 1 second, sir. It's okay. So my intention is creating a document like this. But the important thing I forgot to explain. I created like this, okay. Then how do we share to customer? If you want to share it, compulsory you need to move to service or server, where we need to move cloud or server. From here only the users will access. So this part you will see in the regular class. But whatever the application you develop, that is not shareable, because extraction part, transformation part, modeling part, and the security part all available. What customer will do with that? That's why I told you this is a development area. But only the reporting area you want to share, cloud or server compulsory required. So whatever I planned, I'm successfully done. I'm successfully done. 2 demo classes. And today's practical implemented, I will share the documents and all. And my course is good enough in case you want to get in depth of subject and want to work in multiple projects. And Power BI complete knowledge you want to learn? Yes, no doubt. And entry oriented highly suitable because more subject we are covering. If you are preparing for certification, 70 to 80% covered in this area. And whatever entry oriented required, real-time oriented required, the classes containing those, including proper resume preparation, proper resume correction, project explanation and practice.